Okay, so you have uploaded a YouTube short and it is stuck on 0 views. I know that exact moment when you open the YouTube dashboard and you see your video stuck at 0 views, which feels really unfair, but in this video I'm gonna tell you exactly why it is stuck on 0 views and how you can fix it. Because as I said, I used to be there. I do YouTube shorts for 2 years now, and ever since I found this fix, I'm never stuck on 0 views again. So let's get it. Now first you have to understand, why is your video getting 0 views? It's not even being pushed out to any people. Now that is because YouTube is cracking down on low effort content, spam content, and like all of these bot driven channels, because there are a lot of those out there. And if you're getting 0 views, YouTube might suspect that you are using a bot, or you are putting 0 effort into your content, or you're spamming. So they limit your reach. So the first thing is, if you are spamming or you're using some kind of automation or bot to post 10 times a day, and you're not even putting effort into the content, that is the first fix. YouTube should not suspect you of using a bot if you're not doing it. I know there are a lot of people out there that are fans of these softwares that upload the shorts onto all of the different platforms at once, but they will flag this, and then it's no wonder that you're getting 0 views. But I don't think most of y'all are doing this, so let's just get right to the second point, which is that you have to warm up your account. If you're just creating a new channel and the second it's created, you upload your first short, no wonder it's getting 0 views, because that's again some behavior a bot, for example, would do. Now how do you warm up your account? You do that by, for example, scrolling through the shorts feed on that exact account, watching some videos. You can also just let it play in the background and giving it like 2 or 3 days instead of just posting the second you created the Gmail and account. And I mean, in the time you wait for this, you can research your niche, and then once you start posting, you can blow up from the first video. But now on to point 3, why this might be happening to you, and that is if you put 0 effort into your content. If you just take a long form video and then just take a clip out of it and upload it without captions or doing anything to it, no wonder it's getting no views. Also, all of these softwares like Opus AI and all of that, YouTube recognizes that because an AI trims these videos with an algorithm, right? So YouTube has algorithms to see if it's AI generated or not too, and they will basically give you 0 views if you use this low effort software. Now the fourth point is that you upload your video at the wrong time. And that could be because, let's say you create shorts for kids and it's a normal week and you publish a video on Wednesday at 3 AM. Of course it's not gonna get any views because YouTube won't push it out, because your target audience is not even online. And if you, instead of just posting at random times, actually look at the times that good performing shorts work in, post in those times, trust me, 9 times out of 10, this will improve your performance of your short. There's even a graph on YouTube Studio where you can see when your audience is online, and YouTube wouldn't add this feature if they don't want you to see the time you should post. The fifth thing is to never show your channel to friends and family or to other people in like random Discords or whatever, because they will basically tank your channel. This is why a lot of people also don't reveal their channels. It's because if random people that are not even interested in the content go onto those channels and just click on the video and swipe away instantly, this will tank all of your videos and your channel, because your whole audience will get mixed up and the YouTube algorithm doesn't know what's happening. Also, all of these external views that are coming in can be viewed as bot views by YouTube, and then they will completely restrict your account. Then seventhly, you shouldn't upload your video exactly after exporting it, because there's metadata stored in your video, so it often helps to wait an hour before uploading it to YouTube, because then YouTube sees it's not been exported 1 second ago but 1 hour ago, and this crosses out any type of bot behavior, because a bot wouldn't do this. Now if you're getting 0 views on your shorts, what might also help to see if your video is just flagged or your whole account is to upload it on a different account and see if it gets views there. Because if it gets views there, the problem might be your account, that it is shadow banned and not the video itself, and then you might as well just start a new account. But most importantly is that you don't quit. Since I started YouTube Shorts 2 years ago, I have had this. I had 3 videos in a row get 0 views, then I upload the 4th video and it gets 500,000 views. Sometimes something weird like this just happens. So if you just do the steps that I told you in this video and then just keep uploading and trying things, you will eventually get out of that hole. And once your channel is actually built up a bit, so if you have like 10,000 followers, then no video will get 0 views because your subscribers will see it. So I hope that helps. Make sure to like and subscribe for more YouTube automation and YouTube Shorts tips, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.